Hello friends, welcome to the first video tutorial of my series Python for Science Students. In this video tutorial, I am going to teach you some basic arithmetic operation which you can do in Python. So later I shall introduce you some advanced concept using which you can plot your data and define your functions and all those things. So first let us start with by adding two numbers. So to add two numbers, you can use this plus sign between two numbers. For example, 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Similarly, you can try some other examples also. Now to subtract two numbers, you can use this minus symbol between two numbers. For example, 2 minus 5 will give you minus 3, 4 minus, let us say, 1 will give you 3. Now to multiply two numbers, you can use this star symbol between two numbers. And yes, by the way, using this hash symbol you can comment your statement, so which is very useful when you want to add some comment and to make your code readable. So whatever, now to multiply two numbers, you can use this 4 star symbol. For example, 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8. And if you want to try some minus negative number, let us say minus 2, that will also work, which is minus 8. 4 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 8. Now the next thing is power. So to for example, you want to write some expression in which you have let us say expression like x raised to 2, which is x square. Then using this 2 star symbol you can write that. For example, 2 raised to 2 will give you 4, and 4 raised to, let us say, 5 is this number 1024. And negative numbers will also work. For example, let us say 4 raised to minus 2 will give you 0.0625. Now the next important concept is parenthesis. So using this brackets you can add some parenthesis stuff. So this is very useful when you want to change the order of operation in Python. For example, 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2 will give you minus 2, and same thing with parenthesis. Let us say 4 minus 3, then it will give you completely different answer, which is minus 2. Now one thing I have forgot is division. Now to divide two numbers, you can use this slash symbol. For example, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by, let us say, 7 will give you this answer. Now what if I put 0 in denominator? That will give me an error, 0 division error. So to avoid this error, you make sure that you haven't put 0 in your denominator, otherwise Python will return you this 0 division error. So this was all, guys. This was some basic operations in Python. See you in next video tutorial. Bye.